Hey guys, so for some reason I really like messing around with my acid reflux and slamming cans of pop. So I'm just gonna do it again. I don't know why I do this to myself, but oh my gosh, I didn't even drink anything. Here we go. I don't know why I'm crying right now. All right, here we go. Refreshing. Oh, I just threw up a bit. Excuse me. I literally can't drink. Oh my god. Oh. I'm so cute. Oh. Tank tops. Twitter. Crush time. Let's crush it. I puked. Hey guys, so last night I posted a video of me slamming a can of pop and then belching. And I'm just gonna do it again, I guess. We're about to hit 7 million followers and I'm so excited. So I'm just like kind of doing whatever for clout right now. And being I got that cleared out of the air. My Instagram is hope.schwing, by the way. Okay, I'm gonna move out of this beautiful lighting so I can slam this can of pop. I know, I'm sorry. We got Diet Sunkiss. It's so cold. It's so cold. My eyes look really good though, I'm not gonna lie. So I thought I was recording and I finished a can of pop and it's gone. So I can start to drink another one. Ginger ale lemonade, here we go. Can't believe I'm doing this right now. Reload. Why is that so cold? Something doesn't feel right. I have not washed my hair in 5 days. But I've showered though. Trust me, I have showered. Don't come at me. Also, the same people who like pineapple on pizza are the same people who say eating booty is gross, and I'm pretty sure pineapple on pizza is worse. Excuse me, I'm sorry. I'm really such a lady. I've been trying to slam this bottle of pop, but it's hard for me because I have acid reflux. Like, really bad. So, I'm just gonna see how loud I can burp after drinking this. Here we go! Cheers! Oh! Oh, I do. No me siento bien. Again. I feel pregnant. I can't breathe. Oh, something's brewing. Why won't my burp come out? I need it to come out. This hurts. I think if I like jump around and like jiggle the pop around in my stomach, it'll come out. That's it? I did all that work for that. Okay. That made my eyes water. Excuse me. I'm gonna eat some Mentos and drink Diet Coke with it. How many should I eat? Like 4? I'm gonna try to catch this one in my mouth. Oh. So after like all this chewing, you'd think I'd have a jawline, but I guess not. Okay, that hurts. Wait, I don't think this was a good idea. I feel like I'm being like impregnated. Like I went 0 to 4 months just like that. I feel like I can see sound waves right now. Oh, I feel it. It's gonna be little, I think. It's probably, I feel like it's, I'll just shake it up. My burp went away. I think I need more. I'm sweating.
You're lying. That was not real.
You smell it?
Oh my god.
Why can't I chug it? Oh. Help. Help. Hey, life alert. Hey. Hey. Wait. Okay. Help. Help. Wait. I puked. I had pizza. I taste it again. It doesn't taste good a second time. I'm going to slam this so I can burp. I have acid reflux. Oh my gosh. Just don't judge my side profile, please. I know it's bad. I need a minute. Oh, I can feel it coming already. It feels like I'm getting birth, but it's coming out of my mouth instead, not my cooch. Oh, I really don't feel well. This does not feel good. What's coming? Hey guys, it's your favorite burping biatch! And it's been a while since I've done a chug on my account. So, here we are. I don't know what that was. And here I am just pouring some pop, not soda. It's pop. I'm from Minnesota. Cheers! I'm from Minnesota, and I'm having an aneurysm. I can't do voiceovers. Oh my gosh. But here I am. I'm chugging. It's a solid 3 out of 10 chug. Pretty freaking slow if you ask me. But, like, A for effort, okay? Ah, we're done. And that hurt. And I'm pretty sure everybody in my apartment complex heard this. Excuse me. Haven't done this in a while. I haven't done it with 7-Up before, so we're gonna chug it and see how loud I can burp. Acid reflux gang, cheers me up. I dumped it in a cup because it's easier to chug for me that way. Here we go. Feels like freaking battery acid. It's gone, it's gone, it's gone. Just like my will to live. I feel it. Wow. Oh my gosh. That was so violent.